Going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. No, I haven't been on here in a while. Been real busy lately, just working, staying focused on my goals. So I thought I'd just drop in on you guys, partners and I, just doing a quick walkthrough on this investment property on the north side of Akron, 44310 zip code. I'm gonna be closing on this tomorrow. Just wanted to let you guys take a look-see. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, bungalow, hardwood floors throughout. It's pretty much rent ready, so there's not much to do here. Everything looks good. What's going on, fellas? Just waiting for my partner to get here. So when this closes tomorrow, we're definitely actively looking in the Summit and Stark County areas. So if you know anybody thinking about buying or selling a house, if you know anybody thinking about selling, definitely have them give us a call. Amir.
What's up, sir? How you doing?
I'm doing okay, man. Good to see you.
You too.
Yes, sir.
Another one in the books.
Yes, sir.
I think my guy across the street cut the grass out there.
Yeah. Call the utility company.
No, not yet. Yeah.
Definitely want to do that. They got the lights cut off, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, only other thing I gotta get, which I'll probably, as soon as I get the keys, run and get a fridge.
Yep.
So.